Holi is not just about colors, it is about rituals, food, traditions, and taking care of yourself too. Hi guys, how are you all doing? Welcome back to my channel. So today is Holi and I have a lot of work to do before I actually go out and play Holi. So come along with me throughout the day. So first things first, I have to choose an outfit for Holi. Even after having so much ethnic outfits, I really don't know what to wear. So help me select one. So these are some options that I have. So this is what I'll be wearing today and I'm going to pair this up with the denim, so let me just change and come back. Jhumkas are on. I love the look and now I have to head out to get some colors, so let's go do that. My Uber auto is here. Let's go. These are the ones I want. These are like the pastel gulals that are not very heavy on your face. So probably a blue or a pink. Getting this and this. So now all the hectic work is done and the only part remaining is to get ready. So I'm gonna do my pre-skincare and a little bit of makeup, so come along with me. So first we are starting with our pre-Holi skincare. Starting off with this minimalist cleanser. This has salicylic acid which is perfect for my acne prone skin and this is super gentle. Then I'll be using this Aqualogica moisturizer. I literally use this every single day. It's super hydrating and perfect for my oily skin. As a kid, I used to run away as soon as my friends used to call me to play Holi. My only concern was having enough colors. Mom would literally hold me and apply oil and sunscreen and I used to get so irritated. On that note, I'll apply the Lakme Sunstick. It is so cute and portable and it has SPF 50. Then my favorite, the Laneige lip balm. Now that Holi colors can damage your hair and make it super dry, we need to protect it at all costs. I'm oiling my hair with this coconut oil through and through so that the color does not stick to my scalp. Full chumpy mode on. Talking about chumpy, I remember my mom used to make me sit down, oil my hair and tightly braid it. And thanks to her, my hair is still in such good condition. For today, I'm going to put my hair into a sleek bun. Now moving on to makeup, I'll be keeping it very minimal and natural. I won't use foundation since it feels heavy. Just some L'Oreal Infallible Concealer. It's high coverage, hides all my dark circles and acne marks. Then this Benefit Go-Go tint for some natural flush on my cheeks. It is super long lasting, so I'll just apply it on my lips too. I will top it off with this Too Faced Melted Matte Lipstick. I love this color and it doesn't budge no matter what I eat or drink. For mascara, I'm using this L'Oreal Panorama. Look at the difference. It makes my eyes look so much bigger and awake. So I'm in the kitchen for the most yummy part, which is Gujiya. I thought that I would try making it today, so obviously I need help from the headquarters. So I'm just gonna call my mom.
Hello.
Hello, happy Holi.
Same to you. Happy Holi.
मैं अभी सोच रही थी कि मैं गुजिया बनाऊं घर पे, सो मेरे को रेसिपी चाहिए.
ओहो, आज तक तो तुमने किचन में कदम रखा नहीं. अब तुम गुजिया बनाओगी?
मतलब ऐसा कुछ है पॉसिबल कि मैं बना लूं, मतलब
बहुत टाइम लगेगा बनाने में।
तो ठीक है, फिर मैं शायद ऑर्डर ही कर लेती हूँ, वही ठीक रहेगा। तो अब हम ऑर्डर ही कर लेते हैं। आई जस्ट स्विगी और ब्लिंकिट इट। So my order is here and I have ordered my favorite Gujiya. So let's just plate it, and I'm also going to make some thandai for myself. My mouth is already watering. My thandai is ready. Everything's done and I'm ready, so let me show you my final look. Quickly applying some perfume before I head out. This one is Carolina Herrera. It smells so amazing with the perfect floral notes. This is definitely one of my best purchases. Now let's go.
Starting with this body wash from Innisfree, it has avocado oil which keeps my skin nourished and strengthens the skin barrier. For my hair, I'm using the Bee Plant Intense Moisture Shampoo. After all those colors, this works perfectly. Gives me frizz-free and nourished hair. Then I'll apply this intense moisture conditioner. I leave it for 2 minutes and rinse.
I am all fresh now and the color is completely gone because the color fades but the skincare stays. So let's move on to my post shower routine. Since my skin is feeling super dry, I will use the Cetaphil moisturizer. This is super thick and moisturizing. Literally the dryness goes all away. For my body, I'll be using this Innisfree body lotion. This is from the same collection as the body wash. It really soothes my dry skin. Ending with the Aqualogica mist. It literally smells like I'm fresh out of the shower. After all this, I'm super hungry and my Gujiya is waiting for me, so let's go. Thank you so much for watching. Wishing you all a very happy Holi.